Good afternoon, students. Welcome to the next lecture on our chapter number 2. And the chapter that we are going to discuss in our today's session is nothing but environmental engineering, water resource engineering, and the infrastructure or the infrastructural engineering, we called it as. Okay. So in our chapter number 1 previously, we are having small introduction about this particular points. That is, what is environmental engineering? What is water resource engineering? Or what actually that infrastructure word is all about. Okay, so what are the contents of your infrastructure? It may be any kind of infrastructure that you are going to develop. You are going to develop road, you are going to develop some bridges, dams, water resource structures. Okay, or you are going to develop some high-rise buildings. Everything which you are going to construct, that comes under the infrastructure category. Okay, and that our field or our sector, civil engineering, is going to play a vital role as far as this infrastructure development is going to be considered. Okay, so this is the title of our chapter number 2, that is environmental engineering, water resource engineering, and infrastructure engineering. We are having 5 hours to conclude this session, and this chapter gives 8 marks as far as your university examination is considered. Okay, if it's a descriptive type. For your online also, you are having, as you know, you are having 4 chapters, and if your MCQ test is of 50 marks, final university examination, if it is of 50 marks, then definitely your each unit is going to carry almost same weightage. Okay, plus minus of 1 or 2 marks here and there, but almost same weightage. Each and every chapter will going to be carried out. Okay, so make sure about that. Also, you are going to study each and every chapter in detail as far as our syllabus is considered. Okay, and this 5 hours which are mentioned over in this presentation, this is with respect to the syllabus, but definitely we require more time than the 5 hours. Okay, because if you want to go in detail about each and every activity, it will take much more time. Okay, so this is the chapter name that has been presented on the screen. So let's go ahead with this chapter number 2. Okay, so our second point of discussion is nothing but what is the syllabus that you are going to learn in this particular chapter number 2, environmental engineering, water resource, and infrastructure. That means it's the combination of the 3 subdomains of our civil engineering sector. Okay, it's a combination of 3 subdomains of our civil engineering sector. In environmental engineering, we are going to discuss the part of water treatment systems, effluent treatment systems, solid waste management, sustainable development. This word has lots of importance. Sustainable development. Okay, every day you are going to hear this word, sustainable. But what is that sustainability? What does it means? Okay, then calculation of the carbon emissions, sources of the water, hydrology, dams and storage reservoirs, that comes under water resource engineering part. Various modes of transportation, like your roads, railways, bridges, tunnels, docks, and harbors. So small introductory part. Once again, we are going to repeat in this chapter also related to that. And then a new point for you is nothing but the introduction to ITS. We called it as, that is intelligent transportation system. Okay, again, that is related with the transportation engineering mode. And their interdisciplinary applications. Okay, because ITS is that field nowadays which is emerged, in which we are going to use the knowledge of computer science engineering, and then electronics engineering, telecommunication engineering, electrical engineering, mechanical. So we are going to use every branch of engineering as far as this ITS is considered. Okay, intelligent transportation system. We will discuss it afterwards, but this is the part which we are going to discuss. And if you see each and every pointer, water treatment, you require almost 3 to 4 hours, okay, to understand what is the water treatment process. Then effluent treatment system, on the same track, you require again 3 to 4 hours. Okay, solid waste management, sustainable development, and carbon emission, that is related to this some pollution and waste management techniques. So again, it will take your 2 to 3 lectures. Your water resource engineering, it will take around 2 to 3 lectures, and highways or the part related to transportation, it will take around 2 to 3 lectures. So in all, we require almost 15 to 16, 17 lectures to conclude this chapter number 2. Okay, we will try to cover up the part very fast, okay, but with proper your understanding.